Okay, so today we have some leak information about the release date of Valorant for PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. There's also a version coming for PlayStation 5 and the new Xbox, of course. Oh, I should mention too that it's also coming for Nintendo Switch and Android and also iOS. So basically, there's also a Steam version coming in September. So yeah, so when is the release date for Xbox One and PlayStation 1? Before we get started, guys, don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, also there is a bell next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell. Okay, so when Valorant was released, Counter-Strike lost a ton of players in one night. Wow, that's messed up. Valorant is free to play. Anybody can play this. It does have a battle pass, pretty similar to Fortnite, except for this is a FPS, a first-person shooter. You don't need a super fast computer to run this game. This can actually run on your crappy laptop. All you have to do is like turn down the graphics and you'll be able to play this game. A lot of people think this is a ripoff of Overwatch, and I play Overwatch all the time, and I see no similarities other than you can shoot people and, you know, plant the spike. The developer of this game is Riot Games. It's the same people that make League of Legends. If you play League of Legends, the graphics might look a little similar, and if you haven't, you probably have played Fortnite or Counter-Strike or Overwatch. So I'm going to say it's a mesh of all of them put together. Okay, so let's get to the release date for PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. According to my sources, the release date for PS4, the release of Valorant for PlayStation 4 and Xbox One will be somewhere in between September and Christmas. They don't have a specific date, because from what I heard, there is already a working copy of Valorant that can be installed on PlayStation and Xbox One, but is by invite only. I was told that this copy is only available to developers and friends of developers. Okay, so if you know somebody that works at Riot Games, you probably can enter the secret code to download Valorant on your PlayStation or Xbox One. There is not a whole lot of information yet about the Nintendo Switch, but there is a working copy for Android. Okay, again, if you're a developer, you have access to this copy, and maybe if you're a friend of a developer, you might get an invite to play Valorant on your mobile device. Okay, so don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will post more news about Valorant as soon as they become available. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.
One enemy remaining.